Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I was lucky enough to be invited down to Scott Wynnard's Let's Do Bonsai weekend gone. We went down to go to the Greenwoods Bonsai studio, opening of the new shop. So that was a Saturday and Sunday event, which was good. I didn't get any footage, but Scott got the footage because it was pointless doing two videos the same. So if you head over to Let's Do Bonsai, Scott will have the video up there just to have a look around. I'd just like to thank Scott and his wife Keir for the hospitality, and Keir for the Sunday's dinner. She makes a main Sunday's dinner. So cheers Keir, cheers Scott, really appreciate it. We went on the Saturday, we had a couple of hours there, come home, got changed, went back for a couple of hours, then we met up with Corin and Josh in Miller and Carter. There was me, Scott, Peter, Graham, Corin and Josh. We all went to Miller and Carter for a dinner, which was a nice steakhouse. I'd just like to say thanks for Peter for the meal. Really appreciate it, mate. Cheers. So while we were down Corin's, I bought some wire, a kilo of wire, which is £24, which is good price. So it's like, don't ask about sale price, 12 quid for a roll of wire. So that's not bad from a proper bonsai studio. I think it's about £16 now on Amazon. So I got some 2s and 2.5 because that's mainly what I use most of in the wiring. I'll come back to these. There's a turntable from Corin's, which I was going to buy, then Scott done a runner with it. And I thought he bought the last one, then he come back and give us it. He says, hey, there's a present for you, because you're a get. Well, I mean, you're a guest. So, cheers Scott, I really appreciate it, mate. He shouldn't have, I tell him he shouldn't have, but he got it for us. Which, I think he must be sick of me using my little table on the turntable, what I made. Because I made that table, so he must have felt sorry for us and bought us that. Which it locks off and it turns, which is, I'll get it, which is nice action in it. And you can just lock it off and stop it turning. So, isn't it ringing? It's like the church bells. There's no bell there! So thanks for my present, mate. Really appreciate it, buddy. As you know, last time I was down, he gave us some jades, which is took out of the greenhouse now. I'll give you a look at them. Right, this is what happened the last time he gave us a tree. The greenhouse is just full of jades. I've got them coming out my ears. So with a bit of luck, it'll not happen with the ficus. I'm only going to be keeping them 2 bunches of jades, the rest in the little pots. I'm just going to get shot off like, because it's taking up all my space. So as you can see, I've got a crap load of jades, which I'm only going to keep a couple of for us and get rid of the rest. Look Scott, it made it home, mate. I think he's trying to convert us to ficuses now. So it's made it home. He expected me just to fling it out the window on the year 1, which I didn't. It's back. So cheers for me ficus, buddy. As long as it didn't turn out like the jades I'll be alright. I don't know what type it is, because I really have nothing to do with ficuses. Or ficus, just the same. These I think he grew from 3 to 4 years from seed, but the one in the middle has got a nice little chunk on it. I'll probably separate them and get them into a better, bigger pot so they grow more. So there's me ficus, and he also gives us a nice little pot. Well, I might put a 3-tree group in, or a cascade, I'll see. It's coming to winter now, so we can have a big play. So for Greenwoods Bonsai, it was good. Corin had some specials on, 20% off some of the trees, Akadama, which was 5 bags for £100, which was a good price. The wire was a good price. He had some good prices on the trees, so if you haven't been, I'll get down before they all go. I know if you're up the north, it's 2 hours, 2 hours 20, but definitely worth the ride. So I would go down if I was yours. I'll give you a little look at some of the winter colours, what's not happening in the garden. Some are, some's not. I've been driving all over work today and I've got all these autumn colours on the roads and everything, and I come in my garden, it's still green as out. So I think I'm a bit late at the party, but I'll give you a look at them. There you go. What are you shouting for? Huh? What are you shouting for, Howard? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on then. Hey, you sword. Hey, buddy lad. Come on. What are you sticking your nose in for? Huh? What are you sticking your nose in for? So the dawn redwoods is just starting to turn a little bit. Still green as anything. Big colour on them maples. And them ones. Still got green on there. My bloody larches are still green. I need to prune that actually. It's been in that pot for nearly, like, coming up a year. 11 months. So I need to give it a prune because it's all apex dominant now. I don't know whether to do it soon or just wait till all the needles drop, then I can come back to the structure. Lost a couple of trays in it, which I've got plenty to swap with. Even the tried maple, still green as anything. Oh, it's got a big colour now. Just can't wait. So as you can see, I left a few Halloween stuff on, but it's starting to turn colour. Yes! I need to get this pruned and all this mixed forest. I'll just let it go for a year. Get the roots done, then I'll prune back hard and we'll start the design of it. So as you can see, some of the larches haven't turned, some have. The maples are starting to turn. I need to get onto the two groups. I need to get the mixed forest pruned and the one on the slab, the larch on the slab, which I don't know whether to do yet or let the needles drop, then come in and do it. So I just thought I'd give you a little video of what's been happening. I've got a tree in the workshop which I want to get done. It's a privet, another privet. So I'll get that done. I'll get that up and posted as soon as it's finished. I need to try and catch up now because it's been busy. I'd just like to thank everyone for the lovely weekend. And that's it for this little short video to show you what's been happening. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.